Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to send GIFs on WhatsApp. To do this, you have just to open WhatsApp and open the conversation where you want to send the GIF. And after that, click on that sticker icon on the bottom left of the screen. And as you can see, the second option is GIF. Just click on it, and as you can see, here you will find the GIFs that you can send. And if you want to search special GIF, you have to click on the search icon and send GIF, for example, for good morning. And here you will find all the good morning GIFs. To send it, you have just to click on it, and as you can see, I've sent a GIF easily. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and to like this video, and see you in the next one.